Visit numberrock.com for ad-free videos, lesson materials, and more.
If you split the number 1 into 10 parts, that's where the decimal place values start. The values less than 1, they're quite small, like 0.1, which is a decimal, y'all. This number as a fraction is 1 over 10, and 0.1 is its decimal equivalent. Fractions over 10, 100, 1000, and on are all decimal numbers, it's a phenomenon. Decimals are fractions, just with different names. They each have a value that's exactly the same. Whole numbers to the left, decimals to the right. They get smaller and smaller till they're barely inside. Like whole numbers can get big, decimals can get small. If you know place value, you can imagine them all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. On a place value chart, you'll see a pattern starts. If you split 1/10 into 10 equal parts, this new value is 100th, and in every case 100 hundredths equals 1 whole in the ones place. And if you split just 100th into 10 parts, that's the next place on the place value chart. This value is 1,000th of the number 1. Like every decimal, it's a special fraction. When any denominator is a power of 10, that fraction can be written as its decimal equivalent. Whole numbers to the left, decimals to the right. They get smaller and smaller till they're barely inside. Like whole numbers can get big, decimals can get small. If you know place value, you can imagine them all.
We got the tenths, the hundreds, the thousands, and more. Let's imagine a number line to further explore. You see, there's a special land between 0 and 1, where you'll find decimal numbers in every fraction. Between 0 and 1, make 10 intervals. These are tenths written as fractions or decimals. When counting by tenths, after you get to 9, the 10th makes 1 whole on the number line. Let's see what happens as the place value decreases, and 1/10 is divided into 10 equal pieces. We get 100th written as 0.01, and 10 of these make a 10th, but we're not done. Split 100th into 10 parts, and we'll get 1,000, the smallest value we've seen yet. 10,000ths makes 100th, 100 makes 1/10, 1,000 thousandths makes 1 whole. Isn't it brilliant?
Whole numbers to the left, decimals to the right. They get smaller and smaller till they're barely inside. Like whole numbers can get big, decimals can get small. If you know place value, you can imagine them all. Whole numbers can. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Visit number